Lesson 21. Methods to appreciate a problem. Overview. Within this lecture, we aim to elucidate diverse approaches for understanding problem situations and delve into the multifaceted realm of sponsorship, a pivotal tool in advertising. Furthermore, we will explore the characteristics of advertising media, the categories within the press, and the nuanced aspects of its various segments, encompassing the advantages and disadvantages inherent in each. 10 approaches to understand a situation. Before proceeding with any advertising campaign during the process of its preparation, it is essential that first of all the methods to determine the type of situation should be identified. 1. Opinion, attitude, or image surveys. Conducting focused surveys aids in understanding the opinions, attitudes, and images held by the target audience. 2. Press clippings and monitored broadcasting scripts. Scrutinizing media coverage provides insights into the underlying factors of the prevalent problem. 3. Sales trends and reports. Analyzing sales trends and reports offers valuable information to comprehend and appreciate the situation. 4. Competition analysis. Evaluating both local and imported competition provides relevant market insights. 5. Share prices. For public limited companies, share prices, dividends, and balance sheets reflect crucial information about the situation. 6. Industrial relations assessment. Understanding the dynamics between management and employees contributes to situational analysis. 7. Customer feedback and product performance. Assessing customer complaints, test reports, and product performance aids in gauging the situation. 8. Input from salesforce and distributors. Gathering feedback from the salesforce and distributors provides valuable input for situational understanding. 9. Pricing dynamics. Examining prices and the impact of price changes on the market contributes to comprehensive situational awareness. 10. Market forces and socio-political influences. Considering broader market forces, economic, social, and political factors adds depth to situational understanding. Sponsorship, a critical tool. In the competitive landscape of advertising, sponsorship emerges as a potent technique not only for acquiring customers but also for retention. Before delving into the nuances of sponsorship, it is essential to address the fundamental question: why sponsor? As Sir Francis Bacon asserted, a wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. This explains that sponsorship is about creating opportunities rather than merely identifying existing ones. To comprehend sponsorship effectively, we need to answer 4 pivotal questions. 1. What should be sponsored? Examples include entering a new market segment, enhancing brand familiarity, improving customer relations, and showcasing product performance. 2. What are the total costs involved? Costs encompass financial investments, resource allocation, and associated expenses. 3. How can sponsorship be made effective? Strategies involve targeted planning, audience engagement, and aligning sponsorship with organizational goals. 4. How can sponsorship be organized? Organizational aspects include structuring sponsorship initiatives, collaborating with partners, and ensuring seamless execution. Determining what to sponsor. An integral aspect of sponsorship is identifying suitable segments for sponsorship. The following categories offer insights into what can be sponsored. 1. Sports. 2. Arts and culture. 3. Publications. 4. Professional awards. 5. Educational initiatives. 6. Charitable causes. Advertising media, in-depth exploration. A vital element of advertising is the medium used to convey campaigns to the target audience. Understanding the characteristics of advertising media is paramount. Some key characteristics include: 1. In-depth coverage and permanence. Magazines, with their enduring nature, exemplify this characteristic. 2. Variety of subjects covered. A good medium should not be restricted and should cater to a variety of subjects. 3. Mobility. Newspapers and magazines, being easily transportable, exemplify mobility. 4. Results accessible. Evaluation is facilitated by calculating the cost of space against the number of responses received. 5. Statistics available. Media planners can leverage statistics to justify advertising schedules. 6. Improved printing. Technological advancements in printing contribute to enhanced visual quality in newspapers and magazines. Categories of press. A shifting landscape. Newspapers, facing fierce competition from radio and television, necessitate an understanding of press categories. Three major types of advertising in newspapers: classified, retail, and national advertising, each serve distinct purpose. Advantages of newspapers. There are various advantages of newspapers in advertising context which are given below. 1. Flexibility. Advertising space from 1 inch to multiple pages can be used. Ads can be scheduled on any day of the week. Ads can be prepared on very short notice. 2. Range of market coverage. Provide geographical flexibility. 3. Competitive advantage. Relatively cheap as against other media. 4. Positive consumer attitudes. High reader interest and approximately 80% coverage. 5. Interaction of national and local. Provide a bridge between the national advertiser and the local retailer. Disadvantages of newspapers. Despite being very useful medium for advertising, it has certain disadvantages which should be kept in mind and are as under. 1. No audience selection. Does not provide audience selectivity. 2. High waste circulation. Makes them too expensive on national basis. 3. Short lifespan. Unlikely to be put aside and read later like magazine. 4. Poor reproduction. Generally poor color reproductions. Advantages of magazines. Although the glamour of television has overshadowed magazines for a long time, yet many advertisers considered magazines to be an important and second choice. Recent study has proven that in some cases magazines are actually a better option than television. However, like many mediums, magazines have their advantages and disadvantages as under. 1. Target audience. The magazines can reach specialized audiences and thereby prove very useful, e.g. magazines like Men's Health target men's for their health and women magazines target women. 2. Audience receptivity. Magazines have a very high level of audience receptivity, such as an ad in Fortune magazine would impress business audience. 3. Long lifespan. Magazines have longest lifespan of all the media because some of them might never be discarded like National Geographic magazine, etc. Moreover, these have highest reach potential as they are passed along to family, friends, customers and colleagues. 4. Format. Generally, the magazine's format allows creative advertising variety through multiple pages, inserts and other features. 5. Visual quality. The production quality has become excellent, being printed on top-class paper and with very good reproduction quality. 6. Sales promotions. Advertisers can use magazines to distribute various sales promotions like coupons, samples and information cards, etc. Disadvantages of magazines. Magazines are limited by certain factors and the most prominent disadvantages as are given and explained below. 1. Limited distribution. In view of the magazines having limited distribution, they lack penetration, thus selectivity of the medium is lost. 2. Lack of immediacy. Advertisements may take long time to have an effect on the reader because some readers may not look at an issue of a magazine until after it comes to them, so the ad may take long time to have an effect on the reader. 3. Limited flexibility. Despite magazines offering advertisers many benefits, long lead time and limited flexibility are drawbacks. There is closing dates often 2 to 3 months prior to the date of issue. 4. High cost. The production costs for magazines are relatively high because of high-quality color production. Changes in the magazine industry. The arrival of online technology has revolutionized the magazine industry, giving rise to virtual magazines distributed on the Internet. While critics debate their effectiveness, the industry faces the challenge of determining the optimal balance between traditional print and online mediums within a well-crafted media strategy. The effectiveness of any communication vehicle hinges not on inherent superiority but on its ability to establish a cost-benefit relationship conducive to its purpose. The ongoing evolution prompts a thoughtful consideration of the strategic integration of online and traditional print formats.